Hey, I'm Matt, this is One Blue Eye, and for all those that haven't been into the shop yet, I thought I'd give you a quick tour so you can get an idea of what I'm all about. So let's start at the front, shall we? So I'm just located at the top of Horse and Jockey Lane in Helston by the car park, and as you come in through the doors you can see my mission statement, and then we go along to Cute as a Button cards and sea glass art. Some great stuff there, and I'll swing round and over to this little ensemble weird ante with a recycled silver, incorporating some sea glass as well. Swinging round, that's the Infinity Wave and my bike. Looking at hiring that out in the summer along with other ramps, surf skate or skateboard racks, all recycled plastic. And then we have some water haul bits, recycled fishing net. They make all sorts of litter picking items, and the sunglasses again from Ghost Net. And we'll swing around to Castaway Rope Works, some of their spliced work. And new just in yesterday, I had a visit from Cornwall Cast, and that is recycled plastic and mining waste. Lovely little plant pots. And then in the centre, my bits, all recycled plastic from the beaches or local people that have brought it into me. And finally, it's Betty Blue, the changing robes, and she uses all the offcuts, bamboo material to make various bits. So we're going to go back to the rear of the shop now, the workshop where all the magic happens. And this is the mess. This is what I work in, this is how I work. Unfortunately, I can't change that. Shredder, so that's where all the bits get shredded up, all the plastic. As you can see, there's a few offcuts there and mistakes that will get shredded up again. Camera's going a bit crazy. There we go. Had a kid come in yesterday, Joe, with a load of bottle tops. Great work there. They get shredded up, and then some of it I will use in the injection press to make the coasters and jewellery and such. Over to my workstation, where I don't like to sit very often. A workshop press for doing any sort of compression moulding. There's Bluey, lazing around as ever. Some of the art from recycled plastic, a couple of the panini planes, so cool because I make them on a panini press. For body surfing, those two have taken. All this seating area is for when I get the workshops going, where you can come in and we can look at all the different ways that we can do recycling, and you can do recycling as well, because it's an easy process. This all transforms, so that table will be an optional workstation as well. 6 seating barrels with a couple more, so we can get larger groups or clubs in here. So I think that'll do for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Just have a little 360 all the way around. Hope to see you in here soon. Ciao.